Mabuhay, Bob from Love Beyond the Sea. Show you some beautiful birds here. Boy, hey, pretty. Look at that guy. Got a white one here. Haven't seen that one before. Up here in Eden Nature Park. The blue one is gorgeous. Look at him. Eden Nature Park. I'm heading up this way. Vacation 2022, my favorite place on earth. 9,800 miles from where we live. That's where we got married 2015. And this might be April 1st today. I think we left on the 19th of March. I love Eden. I certainly do. We just got done eating our fish. We caught 3 tilapia. That was nice. Rice. Oh my. You know, it's been about a little over 2 years since I was here. This is probably my 4th time here. Never gets old for me. We had our honeymoon here. And it's just so scenic, beautiful, peaceful. I think there's some yard work or landscaping. You can kind of hear that off to the side. And I did hear some karaoke. But like my wife said, that's just part of the culture. There's nothing anyone can do about it. We've been up here many times in that gazebo. Oh, it's a nice day. Beautiful day up in the mountains. No air conditioning needed in the Eden Nature Park cottages. I'll tell you what, this is living. Eden, this is just my special place. If you have a special place to you that's far from home, let me know in the comments here before this video closes. I remember this from being with my wife, you know, all those times we've been here, starting in 2015. Let me know where your favorite places are. This is mine, Eden Nature Park on Love Beyond the Sea.